Hello, everyone, and welcome to a new and different tutorial from the Desire channel. Have you ever struggled with creating presentations for your university courses or academic papers? Today, I want to offer you a unique solution to that problem. The tool we're going to use is called Flash Presentation Maker. Let's get started. This is the home page of the website, and I'll include the link in the description. With this tool, you can create university or business presentations using artificial intelligence. It can help you create, edit, and finally, export your presentations. To begin, I'll click on the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Here, we'll sign up with our email address. It's very easy to fill out, and then we just click on Create Account. After signing up, we'll be taken to this page. To start, we can use the default, general version. The other sections are paid, but you can try this first to see if it's useful for you before deciding to purchase a premium account. In this section, we'll write the topic we want to present. For this example, I'll use the title, The Future of Image Generation with Artificial Intelligence. Then, I'll click on the Create My Presentation button. It will now begin building my presentation. My file is now ready. As you can see, it has created a title, content, and an image next to it. I'll scroll down so you can see how it's structured. It has created 5 different slides for me, which you can see as I scroll. For each one, it has generated an image and placed the content next to it. You can use this button to add another slide, write your own title and text, and even generate a new image. I'll delete it for now since I was just creating it for a test. For any slide or image you don't like, you can click on the Regenerate with AI button. By writing a new prompt in the box below it, you can create a different image. You can also upload a new image from your own computer. I'll click the Regenerate button now to create another image and wait a moment for it to be ready. The image is now created. As you can see, it has beautifully generated an image related to our topic. You can change the prompt to create a different image if you like. If the slide's content is too short or not what you had in mind, you can edit and change it right here. Once the presentation is ready, you can preview it from this section. At the bottom, you can navigate through each page and view the other slides. You can also export your presentation from here in 2 formats, PPTX and PDF. First, I'll export it as a PPTX file, save it to my computer, and open it with Microsoft PowerPoint. As you can see, it has beautifully created our presentation file. You can navigate through each section and even remove the watermark at the bottom. And, if you want to make any changes to the text, you can do that here as well. Now, I'll export it as a PDF and save it to my system. When I open it, you can see that it has also created the presentation in PDF format. As you can see, you can create 3 presentations per day with this AI, and make up to 10 changes to them using the AI. You can use different emails to continue using it for free for now. Well, everyone, that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and tutorials on AI and new AI tools. Take care, and goodbye, everyone.